Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will see how to make contour lines in Sketchup. We will see how to make trains or import trains from location and convert it to 2D contour lines. First, we will add location from here. We will choose this location, select region, select provider, digital global, import. Now we see this location. If we click on toggle trains and the levels of trains appear. After that, we will draw a rectangle like this. We will make it group, toggle train, take a copy on 10 meters, copy it 9 times, also up 10 meters, copy it 14 times, select this groups, scale it to contain the trains. Now we will select all, right click, intersect faces with selection, hide these rectangles, toggle train, unlock train, select all, take a copy, draw a rectangle like this, make it group, move it under all the contour lines, delete this, by this tool on sandbox bar, we will select all contour lines. After that, we will click on this tool on this surface. Now we have this 2D contour lines, and we can write the level of every contour line. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.